Good morning, everybody. Borodale St Andrews. I'm so sorry I'm a little bit late with our birthday assembly today. It is Thursday. It's time for birthdays. And I'm sorry if you've been waiting for this to come out, but better late than never. Okay, I'm going to open my little PowerPoint and hopefully, she says, Mrs. Giles, we'll be ready to go in just 2 seconds. I hope you have all had a lovely week. This weather's not so great today, is it? A little bit rainy, but you can still enjoy your birthdays. It's about having fun with your family, spending special time together, playing lots of games, listening to the radio and having a dance. Okay, so who has had a birthday this week? Last Saturday, on Saturday the 25th of April, it was Ella Ray's birthday and reception. Ella was 5 years old. Pembroke Happies, Ella. And also on Saturday, Riley in 4EA was 9 years old and Lucian in 2ED was 7 years old. Hope you all had a lovely day. Then on Sunday the 26th of April, Alice in 4ED was 9. Peyton in 3CB was 8, Ellie Mae in 5TH was 10, and Max in 2JE was 7 years old. Pembroke Happies, Bob. On to this week. The same day as Chris, my husband's birthday. On Monday the 27th, Evan in reception was 5. Lily in Mrs. Howard's class was also 5. And Dylan in 1EB was 6 years old. Pembroke Happies, Bob. On Tuesday the 28th, Margot in nursery was 4 years old. So grown up, Margot. Pembroke Happies. And on Wednesday the 29th, Caitlin in 6CB was 11 and Madison in 2JR was 7. I hope you both had a lovely day. And today, Diamanto has a birthday today on Thursday. Pembroke Happies. Diamanto. Diamanto is 8 today. And finally, finishing our birthdays for this week, tomorrow on Friday the 1st of May, Andrew in nursery will be 4 years old and Molly in Miss Desmond's class will be 7 years old. Have a lovely day tomorrow, both of you. Well, that's the end of our birthdays for this week. I'll be back with you all tomorrow for our celebration assembly, sharing the good news. Keep safe, everybody. Keep tuning in and listening to us, and I will see you all soon. I'm going to try and finish with a little birthday song for you.
Happy birthday.
Oh, Mrs. Giles, it would have helped if that started at the beginning. Shall we try again?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Ooh. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Have a lovely day, everybody. Bye-bye.